Rishaun's Recess Rules, a story about playground manners. Rishaun loves recess. It's a time to play, run, and have fun outside. He learns that playing fair means taking turns on slides and swings. Rishaun sees someone playing alone. He remembers it's nice to ask, "Do you want to play with us?" Sometimes games get exciting. Rishaun keeps his hands to himself even when he's tagged. "You always get me. Too bad." If there's a disagreement, Rishaun uses kind words. He says, "Let's figure this out together, bro." Rishaun knows the playground rules are there to keep everyone safe and happy. He enjoys the trees and the flowers and takes care not to harm them. There's lots of room to play, and Rishaun shares the space. He doesn't crowd the area. When recess ends, Rishaun helps gather balls and jump ropes, leaving the playground tidy. Back in class, Rishaun feels good about playing nicely and can't wait for the next recess. See you next time.